Make sure y'all tap in with my boy, man. Real good dude, official, man.
For sure.
Content he got coming up gonna be stupid. Stay tuned, man. Tap in with him. Show love. It's free.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Scat Boy 392. Skirt, skirt. Today we back with another video, man. You already see what's going on. You see the Scat right there. Got my homie Jizzle right there. Let me give y'all a cold start. Nah, this ain't no cold start, but I'll let y'all hear it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You already know the vibes, man. If this your first time on my channel, man, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the like button and you make sure you follow, man, so you can be a part of the family. We got a lot of content coming on, but anyway, right now, man, we about to go to car meet. We going to the Gas and Scats meet down in Raleigh, North Carolina. And then Shake the Block got a little event later on tonight. So we're gonna pull up on Shake the Block, we're gonna pull up on Gas and Scats, and we're gonna see what's going on, man. So hopefully I can show y'all a lot of dope rides, man. But y'all sit tight and enjoy the ride, man. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, we on the road. We about to head to the car meet. Yeah, I got my nigga Jizzle with me. We finna head to the car meet. You see my boy 392 tires in front of me. If you seen my oil catch can video, this my homie that helped me install my oil catch can. You see he got the two-tone Scat going real crazy out here. But yeah, man, we on the road. We about to slide to the meet. Y'all make sure y'all put y'all seatbelt on because it's about to be a crazy ride. I probably won't record too much on the way there because I'm driving. Plus, I'm a little late. Don't tell no shh.
First through the ceiling, I feel it's a blonde. Can't leave the day yet, I feel like LeBron. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 100 million, I'm still on the grind.
Bro, so we like 2 minutes away, but out of nowhere, like, my dang back right tire is down to like 10. It's getting lower and lower by the second. I don't know if I hit something or what, but dang, man. I gotta find an air pump. We gotta figure out what's going on with this tire, but we almost at the meet. We like 1 minute away, so I'm gonna try to get to the meet first, then we'll see what's going on with that back tire. All right, we at the meet now, man. See, my tire down to 3 now, yo. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all can see that my tire down to 3. You see all the other ones good. It was just on 8 like a minute ago. I gotta get somewhere and park, man. That's crazy, bro. This would happen, like, for real, bro. Hopefully it's just the computer throwing the code for whatever reason, but I don't know. It don't feel like my tire flat or nothing, but I'm about to find out as soon as I get a chance to park. All right, so yeah, we got the
two of them bitches.
Word, you came with 2.
Cause my other Challenger had the same thing. So I just took that one out.
So yeah, we got the Mopar tire kit. It's pretty much gonna steal the flat until I get the tire fixed. So we about to go ahead and pump that bullshit up real quick. All right, man, this ain't looking good, man. My boy, one of the boys out here found a fix-a-flat for me. He had it in the whip. He let me use it. The fix-a-flat will coming right out of the car. So it's a car shop literally like 1 mile up the road. I'm gonna just have to try to do it, man. Lord, I hope I don't mess my rim up, man, but I'm gonna just have to try to do it, man. We're gonna see what happens. Pray for me.
Last thing on this, I got these nice ass rims.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
My boy coming in clutch to give me some air. We actually came to the wrong tire shop, but he said he'll at least throw some air in it so it don't mess up my tire. That little kit that they got in the trunk, it's trash, especially if you got a hole that's gonna keep that air from going in. So we got an air compressor, we're gonna get it full, and then we're gonna go to the next shop.
Somewhere for a little bit.
Yes, sir, my boy. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
You too, man. So look, this key right here, this was in my glove box. It come with this Mopar kit right here. The tire shop might not have this kit, so make sure that you keep this in your car. Like I said, this was in my glove box, so you gotta have this ready. It's right there. It'll get that key off for you right there. I almost thought I didn't have it, but I remember I had it in my glove box, so we good. We about to get this tire done, man. All right, y'all, so we got the tire put on, man. It look a little raggedy, you know what I'm saying? Now it's all dirty and I just washed it. So I'm gonna have one rusty tire, but we gonna make it home, man. We got the Pirelli. Look at this, man. It is, well, that thing loud. It is what it is though, man. We got a used tire up there. So I don't even want to go back to the other meet we were just at. They got another meet at 8:30, Shake the Block. So we got about an hour. We probably grab something to eat and then we'll hit the meet for the night. I'm not gonna let this one little tire ruin my day. You know what I'm saying? Things happen. Next time, you know, I'll be a little bit more prepared for, you know, situations, but it's all good, man. We got the vet on the block.
My dad got an 84.
Shit crazy. Got the Vetty. Daytona across the street. That hard. Got the Doves. Yeah, that shit hard right there. That's crazy right there. That's crazy right there.
Kill that motherfucker easy.
Love, bro.
Yeah, this whole clean too. I watched the video when you got it.
Yeah, I definitely appreciate the love.
Yeah.
What you got, a YouTube channel?
Yeah, yeah.
Put me on there,
sure.
man.
Red Out Ride right here. Gas and Scats.
Yo, make sure y'all tap in with my boy, man. Real good dude, official, man.
For sure.
Content he got coming up gonna be stupid.
For
Stay
sure.
tuned, man.
For
Tap
sure.
in with him. Show love. It's free.
Yes, sir. You see it. Stop playing. Stop playing with my man. Yes, sir. They swinging the hole. Swinging the hole. Yeah. God. Yeah. Yeah, he Yeah, we lit, bro.
We been like that, boy.
For sure.
Yes, sir. Keep riding, my nigga.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He ain't ready for it yet.
Nah, he ain't. Shit, you can't see his ass. Oh, his tire fucked up. Oh, his tire gone, bro. His tire gone, bro. Yo, he tweaked. His tire gone, bro. That nigga tweaked. It's it.